Good morning. If you have found this video, you have found part 2 of a series that I'm doing on what it's like as a patient to have radiation therapy. I'm doing one video for each week of therapy. I have 6 weeks of therapy scheduled. Right now we're in week 2. I've already uploaded week 1. The reason I'm having radiation is because I have a meningioma tumor that remains after a craniotomy. I've already had a surgery to remove as much as they could surgically, and now we're zapping the rest with radiation. Today is Tuesday of the 2nd week. I did not have therapy yesterday because when I went in for my appointment, the machinery was down. So this week I'm only going to have 4 treatments. It's early, it's morning. I haven't had my treatment yet today. I feel good. I don't have any headaches. I'm not as tired as I was last week. I have had 3 days off from radiation though. I had a very busy week and a very busy weekend. My plan was to stay home and to rest, but my customers needed me and I worked a bunch because I'm trying to build back up my emergency fund. I'm walking now. I'm here with Sylvie. Where is she? There she is. So we are having our morning walk. It's early and I will keep you posted after my treatment today. I have started to notice some irritation on my scalp. It's not raw, but it is slightly irritated, and they recommended using aloe vera gel after the treatments, not before. I have to go in with a clean scalp, but after the treatments I can apply some aloe vera gel. So I did pick that up. Well, I just finished today's treatment. It's the first one of this week and I feel fine. I feel good. It went the quickest of any treatments. I meditate my way through the treatments and I wasn't done meditating. I could have stayed in there longer today, although I wouldn't have volunteered to stay there longer. The mask is not my favorite thing. I lost 3 pounds this week. It's week 2 of radiation and I met with the doctor today. I meet with him the first day of treatments every week. Instead of going home and napping, I picked up an extra dog visit. These 3 dogs are 3 that I really love. Good morning. It's day 7. I've had 6 of 30 treatments so far. Haven't had my 7th yet. It's early. I'm on a morning walk with Pumpkin. I'm tired today. I've also been getting extra acne. I don't normally get acne, but I've been getting it on my scalp and my face. It's not covering me, it's not terrible, but I've got one here. I've got a couple up in my hairline. I've got a couple in my scalp, a couple pimples. Those are not normal, so I'm thinking those are a symptom of the radiation. And I know the tiredness is. My appetite is still pretty good. I haven't lost any hair yet, and I'm feeling good. Other symptoms that I'm having today are my neck is a little sore and achy. I woke up with a mild headache that's already gone away, but that's pretty much it. I do have 3 bulging discs in my neck, so the neck soreness may be unrelated to the radiation. Had my treatment for today and I came home and I scratched off a lottery ticket because I do that every time I have treatment, and it was I won another free ticket, and then I took a nap and I'm just waking up now, and look who joined me. I've got my little buddy here. He is the best little buddy, best little nap buddy. You good boy, Butchie? You my good boy? You're a good baby. So it's towards the end of day 7 for treatments. 7 out of 30 treatments have been completed. I did take a nap after my treatment today and I feel really good. Naps really make a difference, even if they're short naps. I've noticed even if I can only squeeze in a 20 or 30-minute nap, it really helps. So I highly recommend naps. I'm not in any pain. My scalp feels good. Where they're doing the radiation is right up here and it feels good. I don't have a headache. I don't have any body aches. I'm a full-time dog walker. I've been dog walking all day and I've got 2 more walks to do. I'm gonna finish those up, and then I'm gonna go home, have a little dinner, and have a nice easy night. But so far, so good. Made it to day 8. I am filming this before my treatment. I'll do a check-in after my treatment as well. I'm feeling good today. I've got a mild headache. I'm tired today. I could use a good nap. But other than that, I feel good. My scalp is starting to get a little sensitive, but it's not bad. It's to be expected, and I feel like overall I'm doing very well. Well, it's later in the afternoon on the same day. I've had my treatment. I'm on my second to my last dog visit. I'm walking Harvey right now. He's right there. He wants to sniff everything. That's okay. He can sniff everything. I'm tired. I got a little headache. My scalp is starting to get a little irritated. But I'm feeling good. No complaints. Well, it's the last day of this week, week 2. It's Friday. It's morning. I haven't had my treatment yet. I'm at a pet visit. They have cats and dogs and chickens. And I feel good. No headache. I'm not especially tired. My scalp feels better. I did pick up some fresh, real aloe vera yesterday from a client of mine. She has a healing garden, and it's a lovely space. But I got some real aloe vera, and I sliced that up and put that on my scalp last night, and by morning my scalp felt better. It actually worked better than the over-the-counter processed stuff that I got at the drugstore. So this is Rooster, and we are doing great today. I need to revise my statement about not being tired today. I'm so tired today. I could really use a big fat nap. Well, that is a wrap for week number 2. I just finished my treatment. It went quickly, painlessly. I'm getting used to the mask. I'm not in any pain. I'm going to go in and take a nap. And that's it for this week. It's pretty uneventful.